Alright guys, so they finished the front, now they're coming to the back. Hold up. Let me step this down a little bit. They're blocking our view. They're blocking the view like they did to the front door. That's that. But they're blocking our view. But that's just to make sure the window doesn't break. Oh, everybody's back here now. Okay. Everyone's back there. I'm going to show you guys the front as well. I'm like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Look at the front. Oh my god. See this? This is what happened. I feel like I want to. Do you see how? Oh my god. Look at all these construction cars. Oh, what's over there? What's over there? I don't want them to see me, but oh my god. They're gonna do the same thing with the front. Everything's gone right here. Everything's gone. There's just no sidewalk. How's the garbage man gonna get through here? Oh my gosh, our sidewalk. No. No. Wow. Just wow. Let's close this now. No worries. I'm gonna do the same thing to the side. I'm need more milk. Got myself a cup of milk. Yes, this is milk. Gotta get protein. Okay, you guys can sort of see stuff, but I don't throw this one off. You can see it there a little bit. They're taking out the whole thing.
No.
Then why are they taking out that out over there? Look at his plants. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. They're only taking out half of that.
Just that square.
And then the sidewalk right there. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's gonna look so different though. What is it gonna look like? Because right now we just got that big old step right there. Oh my god. I've never seen one of those in real life. Like I've seen them on The Simpsons and stuff, but not in real life. Oh my god. My goodness. They're gonna do all that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. They're gonna do that to the whole sidewalk. I'll see you when they do a lot more progress. Right, so that's what they've been doing so far. Really good. So they did a lot more progress. They took everything out. 7th of Larry TV. Grandpa's over. but they're doing a lot more progress. So super sunny. Okay. Check out everything. Replace that. So see you guys later. The product is the same as well. I'll make part 3 as well. Making a couple videos on this. So this is how it looks right now. See you guys later. Bye.